All right, so the way a question is phrased can influence a person's response. For example, the Pew Research Center conducted a survey with the following question. As you may know, by 2014, nearly all Americans will be required to have health insurance. People who do not buy insurance will pay a penalty, while people who cannot afford it will receive financial help from the government. Do you approve or disapprove of this policy? Now, if you notice that two phrases are in brackets, and what the Pew Research Center did is they reversed those, or they randomly chose which of those statements are first and which one's second. So for each randomly sampled respondent, the statements in brackets were randomized. Either they were kept in the order given, or the statements were reversed. And you can see the results in this table here. When people who cannot afford it will receive financial help from the government is given second, only 47% approved the law. While people who do not buy it will pay a penalty, given second, the results are even worse at only 34% approved of the law. All right, so we have these two groups. Both these were random samples, random assignment. Let's compute and interpret a 95% confidence interval for the difference in approval rates. Right. So the point estimate, for one group, the approval rate was 47%. For the other group, it was 34%. So the point estimate is going to be 47% minus 34%, or 13%, 0.13. As far as the standard error, I'll do the square root. The first approval rate was 47%, so 0.47 times 1 minus 0.47, or 0.53. Whoops. Divided by the sample size 771 plus 0.34 times 1 minus 0.34 divided by that sample size 732. The standard error 0.0251. Okay. We're going to do the confidence interval. 95% would be the point estimate, so 0.13. Plus or minus, I'll start with the plus. 95% would be 1.96 times the standard error, 0.0251. For the lower bound, 0.13 minus 1.96 times 0.0251. And you can see that I'm getting between 0.0808 and 0.1792. So, put that together. We are 95% confident that the respondents in the first group are between 8.1% and 17.9% more likely to approve of the law than respondents in the second group. So, pretty wide difference.